Hey guys, and welcome to another video about minimalism. So I already decluttered my wardrobe a little bit and I talked about methods, how you can do that. I talked about like the anxiety and maybe the struggles that I have concerning minimalism and everything surrounding that. But right now I just want to show you some specific methods that you can use to declutter your wardrobe even more. So this technique I'm gonna show you is really simple, but I feel like it can be super effective if you really do it all the way through. It's kind of a long-term method, but of course you can decide how long you really want to do that. I would say it makes sense to use this kind of method for half a year or maybe even a year just to see if you're still wearing all those pieces. And here's how it works. So what you do is you put all the things you have in your wardrobe just to the other side. Just put it upside down and leave it like that until you wear it the next time. When you get to wear it and you wash it and put it in the wardrobe again, then you just put it on the normal side like it's usually lying. I would just say that you should do the folding just kind of opposite to the way you normally fold your things. For example, I always fold my trousers just at the front together and I normally never fold them to the backwards side. So right now by folding them to the backwards side I can still remember which ones I haven't worn before. For the t-shirts and tops I just put them downwards because this is the easiest thing, and for blouses I just hang them to the left side at the beginning, and when I have worn them I put them to the right side. You can even do that for the shoes, so I just put them upside down. With this technique you'll get to see in half a year or in a year what you're really wearing and what you've not been wearing at all in this time span. So through this technique you can see what you've been actually wearing in half a year or maybe 1 year. It depends on how long you want to put that time span. Of course this technique is not meant to be applied like, okay, I've been not wearing these clothes, now I have to throw it all out. You can still decide if you want to keep it, but it just gives you this kind of thinking, okay, if I've not been wearing it the last half year or the last year, should it really still be in my wardrobe? Or is it really just a useless piece that is just hanging there for no particular reason? Because I also know that feeling when you just think, oh, this is a really nice top, and you've not been wearing it for 3 years, but you still have this thinking in your mind, maybe someday I'm gonna wear it. There is this event where I could wear it, or this festival where I could wear it, so maybe let's just keep it. But the way it normally is that you just have tons of clothes, and if you're not wearing them, you're gonna forget about them anyway, then you get new ones, and you will be like, oh shit, wait, there was this thing too, oops. So what I'm currently at is that I'm also constantly looking at my wardrobe. Maybe just after a few months, I just look at some of the pieces again and I'm still asking myself, do I still want to keep it? Because after a few months, sometimes I feel completely different about some clothes and then I just put them away, although I said 3 months before, no, I still want to keep them. So it's good to think about it over and over again to just get into this kind of minimalism thinking that you just know, I don't need so many pieces because in half a year I don't get to wear so many clothes anyway. You can also do this method separated between summer clothes and winter clothes because of course if you're just looking at it for half a year then it wouldn't make sense to start in spring or whatever and then you're not wearing your winter clothes, because then of course it's no surprise that you're not wearing your winter clothes in summer or anything like that. But still, what is really important for this method is that you should really be honest to yourself and not say like, oh no, I'm gonna wear that one. So if you really see I'm not wearing this, then really deeply think about it. Do I still need that? And I would say in most cases it's definitely a no, you don't need it if you don't wear it for half a year. Of course you always have favorites, but normally you're wearing your favorites more often than once or never in half a year. Because from my experience, after all, you're still wearing the same things most of the time, each week over and over again. So it doesn't really matter if you keep these clothes or just get a little space for yourself so that it's also easier to decide, or maybe that you can donate it to people who really need it. Or if you want to see it on the commercial side, you can even sell it, so it's no big deal. I'm also a person who likes it tidied up, So if I look into my wardrobe and it's just completely full with bullshit I'm not wearing, it drives me crazy sometimes. And I'm always looking at different pieces and think like, am I still wearing that? And mostly it's a no. So just put these clothes away, you don't need it anymore. And even if you think so, this situation will never happen, that in 10 years you look at your wardrobe and you see this one piece you haven't worn in all these 10 years and you say, oh, today's the day I'm gonna wear that thing. I've been waiting for that moment 10 years. This won't happen, guys, really. If you've not been wearing it for the last 10 years, then you're not gonna wear it in 10 years. So I'm gonna try that method for myself now. I'm starting right now with that. And then in around half a year, I'm gonna just give you an update in another video where I show which clothes are still lying upside down and which ones I'm just putting away, because this is how it's supposed to be. Of course, I know I will still have some clothes where I say, oh, okay, I need to keep these, but still I think most of the things I would just throw them out, because then I will directly see right in my face I have not been wearing these, because sometimes you just forget or you feel like, oh no, wait, there was this one day where I wore them, but mostly it's not like that. So just be more easygoing about the things you have and just don't cling on it too much. Sometimes you just don't need them, and after all, these are just clothes. It's not like it's your unborn baby or whatever. So I hope you did enjoy this minimalism video. Of course, there will be a lot more coming up, because recently I really enjoy getting more into minimalism, because I feel like I focus more on the important things in life if I don't keep so many shit that I don't need, because these are still things that occupy my mind from time to time, and it takes more time to clean stuff up, so it's so much easier to just minimize the things you have and not focus so much on material things. Just enjoy your life, spend time with your friends, do nice activities, and spend your money on things you love, and not the things that you just leave in your wardrobe lying around like that. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Definitely check out my social media channels, Instagram and Twitter. Look at the recent videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys!